Why should I inspect my filter before assuming something is broken? Because a dirty, clogged, or incorrectly installed filter can restrict airflow and make a heating or cooling system seem broken. Your filter is the first thing air passes through before reaching the equipment, so dust, pet hair, and lint can slowly block it. When air cannot move freely, the system has to work harder and may heat or cool unevenly. A blocked filter can also cause weak airflow from the vents, strange noises, longer running times, or unexpected shutoffs. In a heating system, poor airflow can make the equipment overheat and trigger a safety switch. In an air conditioner, restricted airflow can make the indoor coil become too cold and freeze, even when the refrigerant level is fine. A useful detail many people miss is that a filter can look fairly clean from the front while being packed with dust on the opposite side. Before calling for repairs, turn the system off, remove the filter, check its airflow arrow, and compare it with the size printed on the frame. Replace disposable filters instead of washing them and write the installation date on the new one so you can track how long it lasts. One common mistake is choosing a filter that is too thick or the wrong size, so use the exact size recommended for the equipment. Another mistake is installing it backward, so point the arrow toward the furnace or air handler. People also often wait until the system stops working, but checking the filter monthly is safer, especially with pets, allergies, construction dust, or frequent use. Do not assume a new filter will fix every problem. If airflow stays weak, the system leaks water, or it repeatedly shuts off, turn it off and arrange a professional inspection. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.